Today, we stand at a crossroads in health and wellness. With so much information out there, it can feel overwhelming to know which direction to take. The journey to better health is deeply personal, and the choices we make can shape our lives in powerful ways. Millions are searching for the best way to lose weight, boost energy, and feel their best. From gyms packed with hopefuls to endless online searches for the latest diet trends, the quest for a healthier lifestyle is everywhere. But with so many options, how do you know what truly works? Two popular paths have emerged as frontrunners in this search: the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. Both have gained massive followings and are backed by passionate supporters and intriguing research. Both approaches move away from constant snacking and high-carb meals, offering lifestyle changes that can transform not just how we eat, but also how we feel, think, and function each day. They encourage us to be more mindful about our choices and break free from unhealthy habits. The ketogenic diet, or keto, focuses on what you eat, drastically reducing carbs and replacing them with healthy fats to shift your body into a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for fuel instead of relying on sugar, which can lead to weight loss and improved mental clarity. Intermittent fasting, on the other hand, is all about when you eat, cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This method gives your body time to rest and repair, and can help regulate hunger hormones, support metabolism, and even simplify your daily routine. Both strategies aim to lower insulin levels, which is key for helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Lower insulin can also reduce cravings and support long-term health, making these approaches appealing for many. Many people wonder, is it better to change what you eat or when you eat? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your unique lifestyle, preferences, and health goals all play a role in finding the right fit. Each approach has its own unique benefits and challenges, working through different mechanisms to help you reach your goals. It's important to consider your personal needs, daily schedule, and what you can stick with long-term. In this video, we'll break down the science behind both methods, exploring how they work in your body and what the latest research says about their effectiveness. We'll weigh the pros and cons, highlight real-life experiences, and give you practical tips so you can make an informed decision that feels right for you. Our goal is simple: to empower you to choose a sustainable path that fits your lifestyle and supports your long-term wellness. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your routine, you'll find guidance here. Let's begin this journey together and discover which path to a healthier you is the perfect fit for your life. The ketogenic diet is all about changing your body's main fuel source. Instead of relying on carbohydrates, keto encourages your body to tap into a completely different energy system, one that's been with us since ancient times. Normally, we run on glucose from carbs like bread, pasta, and sugar. These foods are everywhere in the modern diet, making it easy for our bodies to use glucose as the primary source of energy. When you eat carbs, your body turns them into glucose, raising insulin and storing excess as fat. Over time, this can lead to weight gain and energy spikes followed by crashes, leaving you feeling tired and hungry again. On keto, you cut carbs to under 50 grams a day, forcing your body to find a new fuel. This means being mindful of everything you eat, from snacks to sauces, and tracking your intake closely. With low glucose, your liver depletes its glycogen stores and starts breaking down fat. This process is called lipolysis, and it's the gateway to entering ketosis. This produces ketones, a powerful alternative fuel. Ketones travel through your bloodstream, providing energy to your brain, muscles, and other organs, even when carbs are scarce. Once you're making and using ketones, you're in ketosis. Your body is now a fat burner. Many people notice improved mental clarity, more consistent energy, and even better endurance during workouts. This shift means more stable energy, fewer crashes, and a steady supply of fuel from your own fat stores. You may find it easier to focus at work, stay active, and avoid the afternoon slump. Think of your body like a hybrid car. It can run on glucose or ketones. When you switch to keto, you're simply changing the fuel type, allowing your body to operate more efficiently on stored fat. The modern diet keeps us running on glucose, but keto flips the switch to fat. This means making different choices at the grocery store and on your plate, focusing on healthy fats and low-carb options. This adaptation takes a few days, but once it happens, your body becomes a 24/7 fat-burning machine. You'll notice changes in your appetite, energy, and even your mood as your metabolism shifts. That's why keto is so effective for fat loss. By using your own fat for fuel, you can see real results, often faster than with traditional diets. It's not just a diet, it's a metabolic transformation. Keto changes how your body works at a fundamental level, helping you feel more in control of your health and your goals. Understanding this process is key to deciding if keto is right for you. By learning how ketosis works, you can make informed choices and set yourself up for lasting success. Intermittent fasting takes a different approach, focusing on when you eat, not what you eat. This method has gained popularity for its simplicity and effectiveness. The most common method is the 16-8 schedule, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. This routine can be easily adapted to fit your lifestyle, whether you prefer to skip breakfast or dinner. During fasting, your body isn't digesting food, so insulin levels drop. This drop in insulin is crucial because it allows your body to access stored fat for energy. High insulin from frequent eating keeps your body in fat-storing mode. This is why constant snacking can lead to weight gain over time. When you fast, insulin falls, signaling your body to burn stored fat for energy. This process not only helps in weight loss but also improves your overall metabolic health. After about 12 hours without food, your body switches from burning glucose to burning fat. This is a natural metabolic shift that can enhance your energy levels and mental clarity. This is the metabolic switch fasting is designed to trigger. By allowing your body to enter this state, you can optimize fat burning and improve your health. By extending your daily fat burning window, you tap into your body's energy reserves. This can lead to more sustainable weight loss and better energy management throughout the day. Imagine your body as a warehouse. Constant food deliveries keep workers busy storing new items, never clearing out old stock. This analogy helps to understand how intermittent fasting works. Fasting stops the deliveries, letting your body clear out stored fat. This process is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and metabolic balance. This simple shift can lead to significant fat loss and improved metabolic health. Many people find that intermittent fasting helps them feel more in control of their eating habits. Intermittent fasting isn't about deprivation, it's about giving your body time to reset. This period of rest can be incredibly beneficial for your digestive system and overall well-being. It's a powerful, flexible tool for anyone looking to improve their health. Whether you're young or old, active or sedentary, intermittent fasting can be tailored to suit your needs, and it can fit into almost any lifestyle. With a bit of planning, intermittent fasting can become a seamless part of your daily routine, helping you achieve your health goals. Keto's biggest advantage? Appetite control. High-fat, moderate-protein meals keep you fuller longer, making it easier to eat less without feeling deprived. Many people find cravings for sugar and processed foods fade away. Keto also brings mental clarity and steady energy. No more afternoon crashes. The brain thrives on ketones, leading to sharper focus and productivity. Metabolically, keto improves insulin sensitivity and helps those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Lower insulin unlocks fat stores, leading to significant fat loss, especially around the organs. Keto can also improve blood markers, lower triglycerides, higher HDL, and healthier LDL particles. These changes reduce heart disease risk for many. For those seeking appetite control, mental clarity, and metabolic health, keto offers powerful benefits. Keto isn't without challenges. The keto flu, headaches, fatigue, irritability can hit as your body adapts, but usually passes in a week. The diet is restrictive. Cutting out fruits, grains, and many veggies can be tough socially and mentally. Eating out and social events become complicated, requiring careful planning. There's a risk of missing key nutrients and fiber if the diet isn't well balanced. Relying on processed meats and unhealthy fats can harm long-term health. The long-term effects of constant ketosis aren't fully known. Potential risks include kidney stones and gut changes. Keto works best as a targeted tool, not necessarily a forever diet. It's essential to focus on food quality and listen to your body. Intermittent fasting's strength is its simplicity and flexibility. No calorie counting or special foods, just set an eating window that fits your life. Skip breakfast? Start your window at noon. Prefer mornings? Adjust accordingly. Fasting lowers insulin, helping your body burn fat and improve insulin sensitivity. It's a powerful way to prevent or reverse insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Fasting also triggers autophagy, a cellular cleanup that promotes longevity and disease prevention. You're not just burning fat, you're rejuvenating your cells. Fasting can be combined with any diet: vegan, paleo, Mediterranean, or standard. You don't have to give up favorite foods, just enjoy them within your window. This makes fasting sustainable and inclusive for most people. It's about timing, not restriction. For many, fasting is the easiest way to improve health without overhauling their diet. Fasting isn't always easy at first. Hunger, irritability, and low energy are common as your body adjusts. Some may overeat during eating windows, negating benefits. Fasting isn't suitable for everyone. Those who are underweight, pregnant, breastfeeding, or with certain medical conditions should avoid it or consult a doctor. Social events can be tricky if they fall outside your eating window. Flexibility helps, but frequent changes can disrupt progress. For some, strict fasting can lead to an unhealthy relationship with food or binge-restrict cycles. It's crucial to focus on nutrient-dense foods during your window. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Keto is ideal for those with insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, or type 2 diabetes. It's also great for people needing significant weight loss or who struggle with constant hunger. If you want sharper mental focus and are ready for a strict diet overhaul, keto may be for you. Fasting suits those seeking a flexible, sustainable approach without cutting out food groups. It's perfect for simplifying meal planning and improving metabolic health. Fasting is also great for health optimizers wanting benefits like autophagy and longevity. Busy professionals or those who dislike big breakfasts often find fasting fits seamlessly. Choose the method that matches your goals, lifestyle, and personality. Choosing between keto and intermittent fasting is personal. There's no universal best. Think of them as tools, not rivals. Many combine both for amplified benefits. Reflect on your goals and lifestyle. Do you prefer structure or flexibility? The best approach is the one you can stick with long-term. Start slow, extend your fasting window gradually, or cut out processed carbs before going full keto. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Knowledge is your best ally. Use it to make empowered choices. For more tips and updates, follow Ask FitTech and subscribe to our newsletter. Your journey to better health starts today.